'cause I'm working on my energy. Cleaning up, I'm taking care of myself.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, I'm Subrena. If you're not new to this but you are true to this, welcome back to another video, fam. It's always nice having you stop by. So today we are here with a wig review and kind of like a first impressions. So this is my first time ever trying a V-part wig. If y'all know I love a U-part wig. I just love a natural look, a natural slay. But I've never tried a V-part wig, so this is my first time trying it out. So if you guys want to see my thoughts, see how I install this hair and all of that, then just keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so this is how you will receive your unit. It does come in this silk satin drawstring bag, which I love because I do use these to actually store my wigs when I'm not wearing them, so it protects the hair. So in your bag you will of course get your wig, and Wiggins hair does give you a few other goodies as well. They give you a wig cap, so if you wear them, I personally don't, but you can never have enough. They also come with care instructions for your unit, what to do to basically get the best wear. And y'all, they gave the best bombest pairs of 3D faux manga lashes. Look at them, they're so cute and so pretty, like lashes that you would actually wear. Shout out to them for that. You also get a nice length of the adjustable band that you can sew onto your wig if you like to wear your wig like that. And this is the wig straight out of the box, y'all. So this is what it's looking like. As you can see, it has the little mesh thing over it. I'm gonna take everything off and show you guys the construction. So this is a 22-inch body wave V-part wig. This is what the hair is looking like. This is the natural color of the hair. It's a very rich, dark, natural brown black color. You can see this is a very small V-part opening. As you can see, it does have like little specks of like bronzy highlight throughout the hair. So I did dye the hair black because that is a preference, but this is the natural color. This is what you can expect if you don't like to dye your units. This is the construction of the V-part wig. It has a 2 sliding combs to make it secure, and as you can see, they have like 2 clips on each side of the part, and also 1 in the center and 1 in the back. So your wig is going to be super secure. Hey you guys, so welcome to the install portion of this video. Your girl look a little cray-cray right now. So I do have my leave out right here. So this is my first time doing a V-part or trying out a V-part wig. You are supposed to be able to use less leave out than a regular U-part wig. Y'all know I love my U-parts. So this is how much hair, about like an inch thick that I left out. I left out the very edges of here to have that natural look, and then I just braided up my hair and pinned it up. So I already showed you guys what all comes in. Let me leave this on here. So I showed you guys how the wig comes to you, what it looks like straight out of your package, and everything that you're gonna get with your package. Now I did dye my hair jet black. You guys know I always do this. I love me some black hair, girl. And then this hair, if you guys saw, it did have like a lot of specks of like that golden brown blondish hair. So yeah, I definitely needed to get that out. So yeah, so this is what the hair looks like, and I dyed it, washed it, and then I just let it air dry. So this is the natural texture of the hair without anything. And as you can see, it has like slight waves. This is supposed to be body wave hair, but you know, when you watch body wave, it's really straight hair, just more textured and more volume I like than straight hair. I particularly don't sound right, but I don't really like straight hair. I don't know, I love me some body wave hair. That's why y'all always see me with body wave. Like I barely get straight hair. So this is what the hair is looking like. I will say after dyeing it, y'all, this hair is so soft. This is the V part. It's looking a little bit wide right now, but we're gonna see. I don't have the scissors. Let me go get a scissors. Measurement of this is like so, it's very comfortable. Like if y'all have tried like U parts and other stuff like that, you know sometimes the measurement of the cap can be so off. It could be either like super tight or like super big. This fits perfectly. And I typically have an issue with the wig heads being like too big. I literally have like a whole gap of a wig cap back here, but like it fits really good. So I'm just gonna slide this comb into the braid so it just holds down. But y'all, usually I would have like a whole bunch of a wig back there. It's not. So that is a plus off rip. And we are gonna go ahead and get these combs slide in. I am really liking the structure of this wig. They did a really good job. They did a really good job. And that like literally sits right on top of the ears. Okay. I might have a new favorite wig. No, like hands down, I have to give Wiggins that. When it comes to the cap construction and the size, this is the best a wig has ever like fit my actual head. Like it's not so small where I'm literally like, you know, where it hurts where you clip in your hair because it's like pulling so much because the wig is small, and it's not overly big where I have all those gaps in the back. Like I'm here for it. I'm here for it. So let's go ahead. I need to flat iron my leave so you guys can see what the side looks like. So I think I might have to cut this very little tab off here. It's like they give you this extra tab that's not attached to the actual clip, and I think I'm gonna end up having to cut that. That's the only imperfection that I see in the construction of the cap. Everything else is just really good. Or I really could just take out the clips and move it to the front, which I actually might do that rather than cutting the actual wig because I don't want to do that. Y'all, look how this hair blends. Mind you, this is air dried. The extension itself right here is just air dried, and I just flat iron my hair. But y'all, look, where's the weave and where's my hair? I judge my virgin hair on how it reacts after I dye it. Like I said, I've dyed some hairs and after it has like a real tough feeling, not gonna lie, and like, you know, you got to do a lot to kind of get that softness back, or it's just like it's a little bit more stiff, it's just not as flowy. Like y'all, this hair, it's so soft even after the dye, and I'm just like yes. It did not shed a lot when I was washing it after I dyed it. Did not really get that much hair like at all, but I can already tell like the wig, the cap construction of this wig is really good. They took their time. You know, this looks so good, and look how flat that is. Look how flat it is. Like I gotta comb this back just to hide. Y'all, look at this. So even with the tab part that's like extra, it doesn't even like stick up through my hair. Y'all, look at this. This is my hair. Look how flat. I love that. It looks really good. It looks, y'all, like, hold up, fake run through. Girl, go get you this wig. Go get this wig. So excited. And this does not feel heavy. This is 22 inches of hair. I have 180% density and this feels so light. My dog just be in here terrorizing me when I'm filming and I don't know why. I feel like all the stuff she decides to mess with, she don't mess with it until I start filming. If y'all hear a scrunch, 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 it's my dog under my bed. Just tearing up my backdrops. I really don't even know why I still have those backdrops, to be honest, because we don't use them anymore. But I'm like, Zoe, I'm about to kick you out. Mommy is filming. Oh no. That Jamaican son. Oh no. Hey, you girl without a tight. Y'all don't mind me. I'm good. No, we gotta redo that. Beautiful. Another thing, y'all, I will say when it comes to the length, this is definitely true to length. I feel like I've gotten 22 inches before and you're like 22 inches where? Like, this is my waist and this, I feel like this may be even a little bit longer than 22 inches. So I'm back. I finished curling the hair. This is what it looks like, and I'm just gonna like lightly run my hands through it to loosen up curls, give it some more body. But yeah, I want a curling iron. I want to get the glamorous waves. I feel like I'm all over the place right now because I'm so hungry. So I'm going to be taking my edge control. This is the She Is Bomb edge control. I just started using this and it's lit. It's lit. I'm going to leave it linked below. Of all the U parts that I've ever gotten, no wig has actually fit my head the way it flipped, and I feel like that's the reason why I even have the look I have. It's so flat, so natural. Like, I'm good for doing this, especially like in the gym or something like that. Like, I think this is such a cute like girly style, so I'm good for doing this, and it's so seamless. Like, it's so seamless. And the wig actually fits so comfortable. I'm one of those people that I will take my wig off at night if, you know, if it's just not fitting right, but it fits so comfortable that, you know, I can actually sleep in this. Like, if you like, comment below if y'all understand what I mean. Like, sometimes some wigs just pull at your hair too much where you just know you about to wake up and your hair is going to be damaged the next day, so you got to take that wig off. This is not one of them. Like, there's no pulling, no nothing. It fits perfectly, you guys. And you guys can see how easy it was to curl. I literally did the laziest curls with this. I usually go in like smaller sections and take my time, but I have somewhere to go, so I am rushing right now. But look at these curls. I didn't put any hairspray in it, but I already know they're going to last like this. Let me know what you guys think. This is like this is the length, so you guys can see like where it stops, and this is curl. So you will definitely get all the inches that you pay for with this wig for sure. Huge thank you to Wiggins Hair for partnering with me for this video. This video is not sponsored, but your girl needed a new unit and I was like, help us this out. So this video is not sponsored, but they did send me this wig for the free, which, you know, thank you. I appreciate it because I did need a new wig. Like, y'all, whenever I get wigs, like my family and friends be like, oh my god, I need this, and I'm not one of those people that's gonna give you like a trash wig. Like, if you ask me for a wig, like, I'm giving you like the best of the best, because that's just who I am. So when it comes to me now, I literally have nothing in my closet. Nothing in my wig stash, but this is perfect. This is what I needed. This is so perfect. So perfect. Yeah, so this is the finished look. Let me know if you guys like it. Definitely give it a thumbs up. All the links and everything for this hair will be in the description box, so make sure you check that out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.